Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the custom loading screen image feature. First, open your application from the control panel. Next, click on the config icon for your app. Turn on advanced options. Now click on the loading screen section. Here you can see that we have many customization options for your loading screen images, starting from the title bar icon to the queue background. I will show you how to add your custom logo and play button. You can follow the same steps for all the other options. Now to add your custom logo, go to the logo section and click on Add New button. Here click on Upload New Image on the right top corner. Drag and drop your custom logo here. Click on Upload and your logo will start uploading. Now select your custom logo again here and click on the Add Selection button. Now for the custom play button, repeat the same process again. Now save your settings. Next, start your app streaming session. Here you can see that your custom logo is showing on the loading screen. And after loading, you will also see your custom play button. Click on it and start your app streaming session. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. To know about our Unreal Engine pixel streaming service, visit our website www.eagle3dstreaming.com or contact our support system. To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our pixel streaming platform for free. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.